Hi, this is Samuel here, and I'm going to talk about the dynamic analysis. And there are some dynamic analysis tools that we are going to use. First is the APAT DNS. So what does this APAT DNS do is to capture any DNS request to the web. And yeah, so we'll start by doing 127.0.0.1 because we want to look back at the address, and if any request is going to send out to the web, it will start. It will capture the packet here. And the next one will be the rec short. This will capture any registry changes, which is like in the registry key of your computer, so that to make the malware persistent. So we took a first shot, which is before the malware is before the malware is being started. So next will be Process Explorer. This Process Explorer is going to check whether there is any new processes that is going to show. Then it will show all the types of things that the malware is being generated. The process monitor is useful for us is because it will track any registry history changes and any processes that is going to start, like functions. So yeah, this is the previously change that other programs have done. So we took the first shot of the rec shot, which is before the malware is being launched, APAT DNS is being started, and next will be Wireshark. Takes a while to load Wireshark. Okay, so we'll use the interface that is going to send out packets to the internet. But first we'll check what kind of IP address are we in. So we use IP config to see which address we are in. So we are in 192.168.1.81, which is the network adapter of this virtual machine. Yeah. So we check my 192.168 IP address equals 168.1.81. So these are the list of requests that is being sent out to the web. Okay, so we got our Wireshark ready, we got our rec shot ready, and we got our APAT DNS ready. We can start to launch the malware. Okay, so the malware has been started, and let's do the rec shot first. So after the malware is being started, we do a second shot to check what kind of registry is being changed. It takes a while to check. So there are a few changes in the directory. There are a few keys that are being deleted, few keys are being added. These are more to the process monitor, and Explorer, Process Explorer. Okay, the cryptography has been modified, which is maybe suspicious from the malware. Yeah, so the rest is not that suspicious, is because most of it is from the process monitor and the process explorer that we have launched. Yep. Okay, so the next will be checking the Wireshark. So by checking the Wireshark, there are no weird address that is being sent out, as you can see from here. No weird activity. So this malware doesn't connect to the internet. Yeah. So let's check on the process explorer. So what we can see is that there are one child process that is being executed and is being run. Yeah, and there are no mutex that is being attached to it. This means that it does not depend on other program to run this malware. So as you can see, this child program is being launched, and we can find the directory of the malware. So it is being stored here, which is document settings, patches, local setting temp, ixp000.temp. So this is where it's being stored and is being hidden, so that the user can't see where is it. So if a normal victim PC, he will not know where is the malware is being hidden. So as you can see, there are strings in the process explorer that we can look at. Yeah, you can find our host space indicator here. And this is running a thread, 2 threads. Does it deplete our performance? Takes our memory. So this is for the 1.exe that is generated by the malware.exe. So let's check out on the parent process. So there are no, as you can see, there is no mutex being generated. So this is also not dependent on other programs. But it starts 2 threads also. Yep. Strings. Seems that there is a create mutex, but it doesn't create the mutex. Maybe because of an error. in the environment. So as you can see the image, right, we can find where is it from, which is the desktop that we have originate. Okay, start from the desktop. And we can also kill the process here. And is this consuming our memory? Yes. Yeah. It is also running a thread. Yeah, as you can see. So now we will go to the process monitor. Okay. So we have the PID of the malware and the 1.exe, so we can see the filter. Can choose the PID of the malware, and then we can check any events that is being tracked, and also the PID of the child malware. Okay, so this malware successfully do stuff like process start, track, create, and load image, and query directory. So this has these are all the functions whereby the malware started to do. Okay, but first let us check the registry. What registry change that the malware does to the computer. We filter the results. Okay. So you start to open key. It makes use of the Internet Explorer. Windows. Makes use of the HKCU. We change the system registry. It also creates a key. Creates 1, 2, 3 keys, as you can see, from the 1.exe. It opens a key and close the key. So these are the functions that are in the operations is in the malware itself. So we see the events, like what does the malware do. Okay, the malware creates a file. Okay, first we look at the parent. Okay, first it creates a file, then it reads file, and it creates file mapping, queries. So this malware most likely will be creating a file which is in all the paths that is stated here. Close file. So the file, this malware is making use of all these DLLs. Okay. Yeah, and The child is also creating more files in the DLL to read files, and yeah. So let's check whether there is any network activity. There are no network activity in this malware, as proven by the apart DNS and Wireshark. There is no suspicious activity being sent out to the web. So let's check the events, the threads process. So it loads image of the DLLs, all this image to make use of the DLL so that the malware can run properly. And then we'll check the event. Is there like profiling? Okay. So this malware is most likely a virus because it keeps on creating a file to duplicate itself. Yeah. So after all this, there's still no network, means that it does not spread through the network. And yeah, thank you.